cardio to burn fat, right? You don't need the gym to get in the best shape of your life. But what if I told you that too much cardio actually is inhibiting your gains? So you're never going to get big doing cardio every single day. But when I thought cardio was supposed to be for heart health, yes, but there are limits to the benefits. You can't just do cardio all the time and expect your body to keep growing or losing fat. And there's a thing called adaptation, and that makes your body more efficient at a certain time. So after a while, you don't burn as many calories nor fat doing the same amount of cardio. And I repeat, I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm not losing the weight. I'm eating the same chicken and rice, doing the same workout, but it's not working anymore. I'm not losing the weight. That might be the problem. As your body gets used to different exercises, it adapts, and you don't burn as many calories as you used to. So you should change it up every once in a while, or cut calories, but you can only cut calories so much. I'll film another video in the future about what you should do instead, and if it's already in the future, you can check it out up here. I need coffee. Death wish coffee. Perfect boost. So if you enjoyed that, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to stay updated on me, as well as get a whole bunch of fitness and nutrition advice, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I put a link to some videos I think you might be interested in the next little bit, so check those out.